Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we've got another run glitch deal to talk about. Plus, in this video, we're going to go over some more glitches that you might be interested in, and also a couple of daily deals. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other videos that y'all might want to go and check out. We do have some super easy, anybody can do run deals going on right now at Walgreens. They're pickup orders. Make sure that you go and check out that video. Also, we have new clearance markdowns and a new penny list this week at Dollar General, along with all of those surprise penny items. And going right along with that, we also still have that run glitch going on that we talked about on Sunday. So if you missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, before we get into these deals and glitches, I do want to give everybody a quick heads up that there are some DG exclusive coupons floating around out there. So double check all of your accounts and make sure that you clip them, because these are going to be fantastic for our gain scenarios. Please come back and let me know down in the comments section if you received them. And also, don't forget that the deals are in the details. So please watch the videos all the way through. It helps me and it helps you and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through. That way you can get on all these crazy deals. All right, now we're going to start off with some daily deals. First up, we have a DG cashback offer on the Airwick scented oil refills 2 count. There is a limit of 1 on this offer. So if you want to pick up the 2 count oil refills, they're priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Or you could also pick up the Airwick Vibrant refills. Those are priced at $7. After the cashback, that's going to make your final price $3. Now, we also received this 4-off-1 digital coupon on the Always Discreet products. This coupon is working on the 48 count liners. They're priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 26 count liners priced at $3.25. If you are at a new register store, that coupon is going to make this item completely free. If you are at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. Now, please do not forget that we never let the employees give us cash back. You always need to add something else into your transaction for that overage to apply to. All right, next up, we have a 6-off-1 digital coupon on the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. These are priced at $12.75 right now at Dollar General. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.75, which is a great deal. But this deal gets even better because we also just received a $6 cashback offer. So if both of those stack, that is going to make your final price 75 cents. Now, I have already put together a full video going over DG Cash, how to earn it, how to use it, all the ins and outs and rules. So I'm going to leave that video linked for you all in the pinned comment down below. But I know that we do have a lot of new couponers, new penny shoppers, so I just wanted to go over this really quick. When we have a coupon for an item, and then we also have a cashback offer, the coupon will always come off first. Those two things are not supposed to stack and work together. However, with these deals where we have a coupon and a cashback offer, the majority of the time they will stack and work together. Now, I have already tested out all of the cashback offers that we're going to talk about in this video, and I did receive my cashback. But like I said at the beginning of the video, some of these deals are glitches and they can end at any time. So when you are in the store, make sure that you scan the item, make sure that the coupon and the cashback offer shows up underneath. This deal does work with the other scents as well. So if you don't like the lavender and almond blossom scent, you can definitely scan a different one and see if both the coupon and the cashback offer shows up for that one. All right. Now, this next deal, I'm also considering a run glitch deal. And again, it does work on other scents other than the watermelon, which is pictured here. So again, we have the $6 cashback offer for the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. This cashback offer is glitching and it is working on the 2-count oil refills priced at $6.25. After the cashback, that's going to make your final price just 25 cents. All right, next up, we're going to go over some more glitches. However, I do not consider these run glitch deals because when we have these on our accounts, they tend to stick around for a while. So you can definitely save these for your Saturday scenarios. I just wanted to go ahead and include them in this video and give you all a quick heads up. So first up, we have this digital coupon for buy 2, get 1 free on the American greeting cards. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the 50-cent American greeting cards. So pick up a total of 3 and you're going to pay $1. All right, next up, we actually have 2 of these coupons on our accounts right now. It is a buy 1, get 1 free on the American greeting cards. It's supposed to be on the cards that are priced at $1 or higher. However, it is glitching and it is working on the 50-cent American greeting cards. So pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents for 2. All right, next up, we actually have 2 of these coupons as well. They just have different expiration dates. So here we have 50 cent off 1 for the American greeting cards that are priced at $1 or higher. This coupon is glitching. It's working on the 50-cent American greeting cards. You can pick out a birthday card, a thank you card, a Christmas card at 50 cents. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. And since we do have multiple coupons for the American greeting cards, please keep in mind that the lower value coupon typically comes off first. So if you pick up 3 and you're trying to use that buy 2 get 1 free coupon, it may actually take off the 2 50-cent coupons instead. So just be aware of that. And of course, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because you're going to earn points on every single receipt. And then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And also, don't forget about that how-to video on DG Cash. How to earn it, how to use it, all the rules, ins and outs. I believe we even talked about Ibotta a little bit in that video. So if you missed that, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all can get out there and score on these deals before they are gone. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because tomorrow is going to be absolutely crazy. I have so much that I want to share with you all. So stick around, stay tuned. Before you go, don't forget to turn on your notifications. Make sure that they are set to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload the next video. And also, don't forget, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.